bring up the CEO of Planned Parenthood Southeast, Miss Staci Fox, to just talk to you a little bit about this bill today. Thanks, Nikema. You know, Planned Parenthood is a trusted...
What do you do with the little baby that's...
You know, Planned Parenthood is a trusted provider... for over 80 years. At our Alabama health centers, we provide essential health care services, including HIV testing and treatment for other sexually transmitted infections, birth control, and well women exams, in addition to abortion. And we are all here today because there is a lot at stake. HB 57 threatens to shut down women's health centers like Planned Parenthood's Birmingham and Mobile clinics. So we should take a minute to talk about what's really at stake here. More than 2,500 Alabamians we serve each year would have to find affordable, quality health care somewhere else or do without the health care that they need. If health centers like ours are forced to close, more than 1 million Alabama women in need of contraceptive services and supplies will find it much harder to get the birth control they need. And with less birth control, we can expect the already high rate of unintended pregnancy to go up.
We don't want that!
We help women stay healthy. We offer them the care they need and the ability to make their own decisions about when and if to start a family. Planned Parenthood trusts women. And the Alabama legislature should trust women too. Women in Alabama need and deserve better access to health care. Instead of passing laws trying to close down health centers and reduce access to health care, legislators should join groups like Planned Parenthood in our efforts to give women better access to the affordable and quality health care they need. Thank you all for being here today. Next, I want to bring up a good friend of mine that I've met on this journey here in Alabama protecting women's health, Miss Kennamer Breeden, who is just a grandma from Bucksnard, Alabama. But she's here to let you know that she opposes HB 57 as a Republican activist in the state of Alabama.
Republican. I am a mother and a grandmother and I want more grandchildren. I'm here to say no to HB 57. They say this bill will make women's clinics safer, that they care about women. But we all know that's not their intentions.
That's right.
If that were true, they would pass the same for all clinics. Do they not care about the men having vasectomies? No! Do they not care about people having plastic surgery? No! And one of the most invasive surgeries I've ever had was having my wisdom teeth cut out. What about the dentist? I was a teenager. Women's clinic, I was put to sleep. So if what they're saying is true, shouldn't my dentist have admitting privileges to a hospital? Yes! Shouldn't her halls be 6 foot wide? And shouldn't she have the same requirements for her janitorial closet? This bill is not about safety. It's about women not having sex. It's about shaming women. There are no consequences for men having sex, only women. This is not about the fetus. It's about maintaining the consequences about having sex. Anti-choice people see abortion as getting away with having sex, which is what they're really upset about. If they cared about the fetus, they would care about the Head Start program. If they cared about the fetus, they would care about Medicaid for our children. If they cared about the fetus, they would care about feeding the hungry children in the state of Alabama. And get this, if they cared about the fetus, they would make sure every child got a good education, not just the ones who could pick or private school. They don't want more children. They just want to shame women for having sex. And if they cared about the women, they wouldn't pass laws forcing them to give birth, even when it'll cause the death of the mother. And what about her other children? HB 57 will not stop abortion. No. It will only stop safe abortions, and teenage suicide will go up. They want you to believe that your tax dollars are paying for abortion. Well, they're not. No. They want you to believe every woman entering a women's clinic is having an elective abortion, and she is not. No. We live in the United States of America, and I am a registered Republican, but I refuse to vote for anyone who wants to continue the segregation in our state between the rich and the poor. I will not vote for someone who wants our wealthy to go to private schools while taking money from the poor schools of our state. I will not vote for someone who will continue to provide the same health care for women of means while closing clinics providing health care for the poor. We are going to stop the segregation in the state of Alabama once and for all. I am a pro-choice Republican like Betty Ford. I am a pro-choice Republican like Barbara Bush. I am a pro-choice Republican like Laura Bush. And I am a pro-choice Republican like the majority of Americans. I am a Republican, but I am a woman first. And I will vote like a woman in 2014.